Booking.com now allows you to set pricing per guest, just like Airbnb used to do. And it's fairly easy. Once you're logged into Booking.com Extranet, which is admin.booking.com, you will need to go into rates and availability option here at the top. And then you will choose pricing per guest option here. And that will open up the pricing per guest page. Now, the key thing to note is this base occupancy. This property of mine has maximum occupancy of 10. So it is set to 10 by default. Let's say if I want to charge extra after 5 guests in this property, so I will choose 5 is my base occupancy, which technically means the price I have set on my calendar is for 5 people. Now, when you scroll down, you will see this 5 guests is my normal price. If you want to charge extra for bringing additional guests, let's say if I want to charge extra, if someone is bringing 6 guests, I will click on here and I will say 10%. So it will automatically increase my price by 10% if the guest chooses 6 guests. And the same way I can do it for 7, 8, 9, and 10 guests. It will automatically keep increasing the price by that percentage. But percentage is not the only option. If you want to set a specific price, you can choose the currency and mention the price here. But even Booking.com always suggests that you choose a percent rather than setting a fixed price. Now, this is how you can increase the price. But on the other hand, if you want to offer a discount if someone is bringing less than 5 people, you can scroll down and you can click on these buttons to turn it on. And here you can mention 10%. Let's say if I want to offer 10% discount if someone is bringing 4 guests to my property, it will automatically be calculated. And the same way you can set it for 3, 2, and 1 guests. And it is pretty easy to understand once you have been on this page and played around with the settings. And once you're happy with all that, click on Save Changes and it will straight away start offering those discounts which you have set. I really hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.